Mode of grouped data. Mode is nothing but the most occurring observation. Or the observation having maximum frequency. Mode is given by the formula mode is equal to L plus open the bracket f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f1 f2 close the bracket into h. Where L is called the lower limit of the model class. H is class size. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F naught, the frequency of the preceding model class. Frequency of the class preceding means previously, in front of, so preceding the model class. F2 it is the frequency of the class succeeding. The model class. Preceding means previous to the model class. Succeeding means next to the model class frequency. Now let me explain this concept based on a problem. A survey conducted on 40 households. In a locality of a group of students, resulted the following table: family size, number of families, family size with 1 to 3 numbers are present in that locality, 14 families. 3 to 5 membered family, there were 16 such families. Similarly, 5 to 7, 4 families. 7 to 9, 4 family, and 9 to 11, 2 families. Now identify the maximum class frequency. Which is the maximum class frequency? 14, 16, 4, 4, 2. So this is the maximum frequency. Are you able to follow? So the class corresponding to the frequency is 3 to 5, and this is called, so this is mode, and this is modal class. Do you understand this? That is 3 to 5. So the lower limit of the modal class, L is equal to how much? 3. Are you able to follow? And the class size is 2. That is 5 minus 3, 2. Frequency of the modal class, F1, is given as 16. Now the preceding frequency. The preceding frequency is mentioned here as F0. So F0 is equal to preceding frequency 14. Succeeding frequency F2 is equal to 4. And what is the class size? We are done. So we have L, F1, F0, F2 and H. So we can easily substitute. This is actually the modal frequency. It is not mode, modal frequency. You can call it modal frequency. And this one, what do you call this one? This is represented as F1. What about this? F0. What about this? F2. Are you able to follow? Okay. First identify the mode and its frequency F1. Preceding, previous one. Succeeding, next one. Okay. Now let us find out the value of mode. Mode is given by the formula L. What is L here? 3 plus, open the bracket, F1 16 minus F0 14 divided by 2 into F1 16 minus F0 14 minus F2 4. Now close the bracket, into class interval 2. Are you able to follow? Now let us find out 3 plus 16 minus 14, 2 divided by 32, and this is 28. Is it not? 2 into 6, not 28, 18. So the difference is 32, 18 means 14. Is it not? So 2 and 7. Therefore 3 plus 2 by 7. That is approximately 3.29. So this is the value of the mode m. Okay. So in this we are finding out the mode. Let me complete the question. Find out the mode of the data. What is mode? That is the question. So we have found out, and this is the mode. Okay.
So 2 by 14 வந்து 1 by 7. 2 by 7.
2 by 1 by 7.
ஆமா
1 by 7. 2 14.
Sir, எப்படி sir 2 into 16 minus 14 வரும்?
2 into
16 minus 14 எப்படி? f of 0 தான sir வரணும்?
இங்கே
f of 0 வந்து
இல்ல f of 0 இல்ல f naught னு சொல்லலாம்.
Okay.
f naught. So f naught ன்றது எவ்வளவு இங்க 14. So 14. f2 ங்கிறது 4. So minus 4. 2f1 அப்படிங்கிறது 2 times the f1. So 32. 2 into 16. You have to follow the formula. Okay. Three plus 0.29. That is 3.29. 1 by 7. Okay.